I'm sure some of you would have come across the news of India being included in the JP Morgan Global Bonds Emerging Market Index. It's a great step ahead with increasing importance of India in the global financial world. And this great development could happen because of years of efforts of our authorities, and especially after 2020 government's FAR program allowing foreign holdings in our bonds. Now let's try to understand a little bit more about this development. How will this impact and benefit our country? To start with, the JP Morgan Global Bonds Emerging Market Index values close to around $213 billion. To start with, close to 23 Indian government bonds are included in it, and from 28th of June next year, that is 2024. Now, as a result, the expectations are close to $40 billion of funds would start flowing into our country. Passive funds will start next year, but the active funds would like to front run and benefit from the high yields and may start investing sooner. As the news came, we already saw that government yields fell to below 7.1%. And JP Morgan is not the only index. We expect the other indexes like your Bloomberg, Barclays, FTSE, Russell, they may also include India in the coming years. And as you can imagine, the inclusion in other indexes would further help the inflows into our country and would help our economy in multiple ways. Number one, our government borrows close to 16 trillion rupees in a financial year. So 20% of such borrowing could be accommodated through these flows and could also lower the yields. On the current account deficit side, as we know, our imports are much more than exports. So such amount of capital flows can actually help us and support our rupee. Thirdly, the lower yields will actually trickle down in the lowering the yields of corporate bonds. So the cost of capital will come down for our corporates, improve the profits of our banks. But at the same time, there are also certain risks which would come along. One is the higher scrutiny on the fiscal deficit management of our government. And also from the flight of capital and the volatility of the rupees can go up. But all in all, it's a great step ahead, adding on to the narrative of India becoming a financial giant and becoming the third largest economy soon in the next 3-4 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.